Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the week so far. And welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll be talking about Bitcoin. Yesterday, we saw quite a lot of volatility, which was also expected, of course. I think the title of the video even was Bitcoin volatility incoming, and I'll quickly repeat it. All right. But what happened over the course of the weekend is that the volume for Bitcoin dropped down so low, it dropped down to, I think, $8.5 billion, that when the new volume, the new capital flowed into the markets yesterday and today, it's still up 15%, that made the market move a lot. And like I said in the weekend or already as well, it was most likely that Bitcoin would retrace. And that's going on right now. So the big question is will it retrace even further? That's what we will be talking about. There's no big news today. Tomorrow we have some news. We have the GDP growth rate from the US. Biggest news is on Thursday, so we don't have to worry too much about that yet. And the dollar strength index is also not doing that much, or at least nothing new. So yeah, what I wanted to show is that right now, if you look at the liquidation heat map for Bitcoin, you'll see that Bitcoin has already grabbed quite a lot of liquidity from the bottom. All right, so when it dropped down, but there's still there's a ton of liquidity, basically between 38,500, so all the way up here. But then also to the downside right here, all the way down to let's say 35,800. And most of the liquidity is actually to the downside. And you can also see if you look at the 4-hour time frame, that yesterday we broke down below the 28 and the 50 EMA, which we have done before, but that is, at least on the short term, bearish confirmation. After finding support at this trend line plus the 100 EMA, almost at the cuff. But yeah, so that's bearish confirmation. I'm not sure how it looks on the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, you can see as well that these EMAs are now providing resistance. So we still have support at 36,800, but it looks most likely to me that Bitcoin will drop down further towards the levels right here, between, let's say, 36,200 and 35,800. At this moment, technically, that looks most likely. I mean, if for some reason Bitcoin gains a lot of momentum here and breaks back above 37,250, which is the main resistance right now, well, right, then I was wrong. And that is possible because the overall markets are still bullish. So then the question is, well, if the overall markets are bullish, why do you say that Bitcoin is going to drop down then? And the main fundamental reasoning I have for that is that one of the main catalysts right now behind Bitcoin is obviously all of the news around the ETFs. Well, the next deadlines are all in 2024, or at least at the end of 2023. So that's still a month away. Bitcoin cannot be bullish for an entire month, especially not when it has already been bullish for more than a month. All right, so there has to be some sort of consolidation, some sort of a pullback, or at least there doesn't have to be, but it's usually what happens. So that's why. And like I said, I mean, the technicals do confirm it at this moment. You can also clearly see it on the chart. These 28 and the 50 EMA were pulling up the price quite often and for quite a long time. And now they've turned into resistance. That does mean something, right? So those are my thoughts. That's my take on Bitcoin for now. If you do have any questions, anything about what I said, let me know down in the comments. And down in the pinned comment and the description, you can also find links to my own premium and Signal group. It's the same, but there you'll find some more info on that if that sounds interesting. All right, that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.